Hello, hello. This is Sandy Harris at Smith Lake RV and Cabin Resort, and I wanted to invite you to open house this week. It starts the 17th, which is Thursday, and goes on through Monday, the 21st, from 10 to 6 p.m. We'll be here if you want to stop by the pool house for some refreshments and get a tote bag of information. We'll be showing this beautiful cabin, Lot 48. If you know somebody that's looking for a full-time residence, looking to relocate, or even looking for a weekend place or a sometime place, these lots are deeded. There's a 10 by 50 RV pad. If you want to bring your RV here, there's a full hookup with lighted pedestal, full sewer system. AT&T All Fiber UVerse is built in to every lot. Look, we're just going to take a quick peek at part of this cabin, but if you want to see the rest of it, come and see us this Thursday through Monday. We'll be having open house here at beautiful Smith Lake RV and Cabin Resort. This is lot 48. And if you look on this page, you can see the details of this lot, the size of this cabin. Scroll up on the page. We will see you this week. www.smithlakervresort.com